Hey all! This is my existing Instagram account. In this video, we will see how to make ads. Click on the Ad Tools. Meta Business Suite opens. Facebook pages and Instagram accounts are now organized as a Meta Business Suite. Already Facebook and Instagram pages are automatically linked. We can manage them together and run ads at a time everywhere. It's a great time-saving method. Let's get started. First, we will start with automated ads. Meta gives personalized ads that adjust over time to help you get better results. Answer the questions according to your business. Let us add more pics to create different ad banners. Seeing the same pics every time will bore the viewers. We can adjust our daily budget that reflects on viewers per day. It's depending upon your wish. Ads show on Facebook, Instagram, Messenger. Special ad category applies on political ads, job opportunities ads, etc. You can see the estimated daily results.
Is under review. This is only a demo video, so payment is not made. Ha 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 ha. Thank you. Meet you in another video.